ready to make your products look so good that customers can't help but click Add to Cart. In this final video of our series, I'll show you how to add stunning, high-quality product images that will boost your sales. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Your product images are your #1 sales tool online. They build trust, showcase your products, and are critical for conversion. Let's make yours shine. First, navigate to the product you want to edit in your Shopify admin. Scroll down to the Media section. Here, you can simply drag and drop your image files from your computer, or click to browse and upload them. Shopify allows you to upload multiple images for a single product. This is your chance to tell a visual story. Upload a mix of front shots, back shots, close-ups of details, and lifestyle images showing the product in use. The first image you upload will become the main thumbnail that appears in collections and search results. Once your images are uploaded, you can rearrange them by dragging and dropping. Put your strongest, clearest image first. You can also add alt text to each image. This is a brief description that helps with SEO and makes your store accessible to people using screen readers. A crucial pro tip: optimize your images before you upload them. Large, unoptimized files can slow down your website. Use free tools to compress your images slightly without losing quality. Aim for a balance where the image is crisp and clear, but the file size is manageable, typically under 500 kilobytes per image. For products with variants, like different colors, you can assign specific images to each variant. Click into a variant from the Variants section and you'll see an option to select which image should represent that specific option. This gives customers a perfect visual match for what they're selecting. And with that, you've mastered the art of product imagery. Great photos can truly make or break an online sale. If this final guide helped you present your products in their best light, please give it a like. What's your best tip for taking great product photos? Share your photography secrets in the comments below. This concludes our massive Shopify tutorial series. For more guides that help you grow your online business, make sure you're subscribed to Guide with Samuel. Thanks for watching.